I have this great single-seater chair by WEUP. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. So this chair here is 33 inches tall to the top of the pillow. And then you've got 42 inches across here. Really nice, deep seat. And I really love the details like the wood on the bottom. This chair was super easy to assemble. All came in one box, so I really loved that. But also comes with a 2-seater love seat and a 3-seater couch. So if you're needing just a little bit more of just the single space, you've got that option. But I really love it. Plenty of room. I mean, you can sit like this. Plenty of room to sit cross-legged. Nice back, comfortable. But I'm going to bring the camera closer and give you a close-up look of all the features. All right, now let me give you a close-up look here of the whole chair. I want to show this wood detailing here. Now this goes all the way along the bottom and all the way along both sides of the chair. Super plush cushion. It's got a nice amount of firmness to it, as well as the back cushion. So overall, very easy assembly, comfortable chair. I mean, this fabric is absolutely gorgeous. I think you will love it.